Hi, it's me again. I am standing in, geez, I don't even know what state I'm in right now. I'm at the Four Corners, and here's the monument. So I think I'm in Utah right now, and as you can see on my GPS, see if I can find a place for the little view. There we go. You can see it's right on all four corners right here. So let's go check it out and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm crossing into Colorado right now. And let's just do the whole lap. We'll just do, okay, here we go. I'll go up the stairs. Actually in New Mexico now. And in Arizona. Right now I'm back in Utah. Well, that's pretty cool. So here's the monument. And it's on tribal land, so they've got all these like crappy gift places all the way around, except for on the way out. So here you go. 4 at once. I did it. Alright, hope you enjoy. Bye.